What's up guys, Tom here. Welcome to this video. Welcome to my series of videos changing the interior light bulbs to LEDs on my first generation Jaguar XF. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the glove box bulb for either a new one or for an LED, like in my case, for nicer color and better brightness. So let's jump into it. First, open it and leave it open for, let's say, roughly 10 minutes, so the bulb shuts down and it cools down, and you don't have to do it with the bulb turned on. To take off the lens cover, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna take a flathead screwdriver here, and I've put a little bit of masking tape so I don't scratch the plastics. There we go. So you see I just kind of pushed it in and it flew off right here. So this is the lens cover. With the lens cover taken off, you can see this hole right here, and inside of the hole is the light bulb. You can kind of see it right here in the socket there. So we just need to pull it out. Try to put some masking tape around the light bulb. Basically, I need to get as much traction on the bulb as I can in order to get it out. Okay, finally took it out. So I was finally able to take it out, and what ended up working was actually covering the bulb itself in the masking tape and just using the pliers, bare metal, to get a little bit more traction to just kind of get it out. Now let's put in the new one. Now, just looking back at the video, I realized you cannot even see what I'm doing there. So basically, the bulb, here you can see the opening, and the bulb is going from there inside here from an angle more like this. So the bulb is like this with the socket. You kind of have to put the tweezers, the nose pliers inside here and kind of squeeze it and push it out like that way. So that's why you can't really see anything, but you can see the socket there, and that's where the new bulb is gonna go in. This is the new LED bulb that's gonna go in there instead of the old one. Now at this point, I'm just honestly gonna try to maybe put it there with my fingers and just, you know, kind of push it in there. If it's not gonna work, I'm gonna figure out something else. You can kind of stick one finger there to kind of feel where the socket is. Now, of course, if you look at the socket of the bulb, it's flat like this, and you have to also aim the rotation correctly in order to be able to put it in. All of this would be much easier if you could get yourself a small mirror. You could place it right here and kind of look inside the hole to actually see what you're doing. I don't have a mirror with me right now, so I'm kind of having to guess by feel. So I think that would be much quicker actually. After like 10 minutes of playing with the bulb, I was actually able to put in the LED. And how I did it was I took a little bit of masking tape like this. Imagine the LED bulb here, but I just, placed a little bit of the masking tape on the bulb so it, kind of stays within the tape. And I was just like playing around trying to push the bulb inside the socket. It took me like 10 minutes, but I managed to do it. A simpler way to deal with the bulb would be to take the glove box off the car and then do it from the top. I've seen how it looks like. There's a little black cover that covers the bulb, and there's the socket. You just twist it, take it out, and take out the bulb easily. But to take off the glove box, you would need to disassemble the dash here a little bit and take it out. So I figured this is probably still the easiest way. For the last part, I already turned on the car, made sure the LED is working here. The last thing is to just click this lens cover back in. All right, there we go. So because I had the car sitting for a little bit, let's try to test it out. It works. So it's done. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more Jaguar XF content and videos. And if you want to see how to replace the other interior bulbs or the trunk bulb on the Jaguar XF, make sure to check out the other videos in the description below. See you in the next one.